I know I haven't been around for a minute, but I said, why not? Let me go ahead and just start this little vlog to get back into the groove of things. But anywho, so I don't know what I want to do. I'm really so tired, but I'm forcing myself to do these vlogs because I keep saying I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, and then I never pick up the camera and I never do anything, and I just take my little butt to sleep. So pop in and just kind of start the vlog off. So for those that do not know me, my name is Nisi, and that is spelled Nisi. Y'all, that good out of water. Oh, let me get my butt in this tub, honey. So I've been thinking about redoing my bathroom. Even though I love this feel, it's like very relaxing, you know. I wanted to give like beach vibes and, you know, just a relaxing feel. So I want to change my light bulbs. So they're white. And I also wanted to add more stuff up here on my thing. Let me show you guys. I wanted to add more stuff up there to that thing. That stuff up there, baby, I cannot smell it. I don't know what, I don't know. But so, I'm out of the shower, fresh and clean. Yeah, I was sick for 2 weeks and I had COVID. And I lost my smell and my taste. So I have my taste back just a little bit. But as far as my smell, it's very vague. Like, I can't really smell like I want to. So, but anywho, now I'm just about to catch up on me some YouTube videos and drink me some water. And here comes London Bunny, about to bother me. What?
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. What do you want? You just wanted to be in my video. Just say that. What do you want?
Bye.
Your phone ringing. Oh. Excuse me then. But anywho, I am about to sit here and catch up on some YouTube videos or whatever. I will prop y'all up and, you know, let y'all see me in this bed, but I don't know. We starting it off. But for anybody that wants to know, this robe came from TJ Maxx and I absolutely love it. I have the little gown to go with it. And it feels so good on the skin. Like, oh my God, it feels so good. But what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. But anywho, I'll fill you guys in as far as like why I've been gone, what I've been doing, what has taken place, all that good jazz. So, good night for now. Oh, and today is Monday. Let me not forget because y'all know I be slipping. I will come on the vlog and won't tell y'all nothing. So today is Monday. So we're going to end Monday night like this. And I'll just probably pick you guys back up in the morning. So, toodaloo. Hey, you guys. So, happy Tuesday. But as you guys can see, I am on my way to work. I just dropped Bunny off. finally off. To the grocery store I go. I'm trying to actually really hurry up because I want to cook tonight. And I want to watch the new season of where's the street gonna take me? I'm gonna find out today. I want to watch the new season of Games People Play. So I got to hurry up and get home. Let me see how fast I can make this. I dread going to the grocery store when I get off during the day. I'd rather go to the grocery store, or any store actually for that matter, early in the morning, so I'm back home by 12. That works for me. So hopefully I can get in the grocery store and get out, or just, get some stuff to eat for today, tomorrow, or something. Anywho, I'll see y'all at the grocery store. So, the girl has made it home. I went to the grocery store and now I'm cooking because I gotta watch my show. Gotta watch my show. Let me show y'all what I'm cooking now. Okay, so you guys, I have got in the shower and got out and got comfortable in this bed because I got to kick my feet up. So I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. And I'm going to try to come up with like a plan and a little schedule for my videos. And I'm not going to put it out there right now, but I'm going to work on it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Subscribing. I know I ain't got many, but baby, listen, I am thankful, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And come back and see your girl. Bye.